Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to Tech Hacks and Tips. With this channel I intend to give simple advice and quick tips and advice on all things computing and anything else technology really. So my very first one here is a program from Microsoft. It's in beta, so it's a new program that they're just developing. It's a PC Manager program. It's free to try out, free to use, and we'll get into that now and download it and see how it works. So this is Microsoft PC Manager. Safeguard your PC in a quiet and reliable way. It's by Microsoft and it's in beta, as you can see here, like I mentioned before, which means it's in development, but hopefully be getting updated with different features and obviously updates and stability updates as time goes on. But I've had it for a few days now. I've been using it for a few days and it's pretty good actually. So you can boost your PC, you can boost your memory, clean up your memory, make it run a bit faster, manage your storage, take out old junk files and large files that you no longer need. Works really well for that as well. And a health check, which will do that as well, which will run through and check any problems, any junk files that it can remove and speed things up. And it's got antivirus built in as well. So it's all built into one little small application. So you're not using lots of different programs to do all these. You don't have to download additional programs to clean up your computer. It's all in one. I won't download it because I already have got it installed, but of course I will show you it and just run that, and it's over here. So we've got a little pop-up in the side here. So you've got boost your PC. So example, you can see there memory usage and temporary files 3.3, and if I click that, it's just gone down to temporary file 0. It's just boosted the memory a little bit. Health check, you can little health check. You can see there, scan them and it's found any problems there. So you can take out any rubbish, clean out any temporary files. You've got storage management. You can click on that. You can deep clean, which I've used just a short while ago actually. Manage large files. I think I was using before, and with that, I could clean out some really big files which I didn't even have on the computer. And this is a relatively new computer as well, and I still had some big files on there. Manage apps, and of course use the Storage Sense, which is obviously built into Windows anyway. So that'll set the shortcut to that. And a deep cleanup, you can click that and it'll run through, and as you can see there, it's showing you all the different files and stuff you can move and clean up. And then it's also got process management, so you can see what's actually running in the background. You can end them. So if you wanted to do something more intensive, like you want to do photos or video work, you could end some of these processes to make things run a bit smoother. And you've got startup apps as well. So of course you can see what programs are starting up and disable them or enable them as you want to at the side here. And of course if you disable startup processes, it makes the computer start up a lot faster. And it's got antivirus as well. So if you click on security, you can then do check for Windows updates. So it'll scan and see if there's a Windows update for you, and it's got an antivirus built in as well. So on the whole, it's a really, really good bit of software really for the use on your PC, and it's a lot simpler than using lots of different software. Works really, really well. It's unobtrusive, just sits in the corner there, and you can just start it obviously up when you want to with a desktop shortcut, and it will update itself as well. It's got a little, if you click on settings here, you can see a little slider there to say auto update, and you can start it up when you have the computer start up. I don't have it that way. I have it so I can just start up from the desktop with the shortcut, which is this here. I just have the shortcut to start up when I want to, but you could have it start up when you want to, and it'll be running the taskbar. So it's on the whole, it's a good bit of software, and it's worth checking out. So that's my very first video and very first tip for you on my channel. If it's any use to you, hope you can subscribe, and hope to see you again soon. Anyway, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.